Hey everybody, today is finally the day we're talking about the stock that everyone talks about, the internet stock. And no, I'm not talking about GameStop. That is another video for another day. We are talking about Tesla and whether or not you should buy Tesla. Now, if you look at Tesla over the last year, it's fluctuated quite a bit and it has made a lot of people a lot of money over the last year. Make no doubt about it. If you bought it in June of last year, you made a ridiculous amount of money in the last year. But for the year 2021, it's down. So, disclaimer before we talk about anything else, investing in the stock market is risky. I am not a financial advisor. You should totally consult one. That being said, let's get into this. Let's look at Tesla and whether or not I think it's a buy right now. Now, if you're doing like I am and you're starting a new portfolio and you're doing a little bit of money each month, whether it's 500 or 1,000, you can actually buy Tesla shares even though they're 691. It's where you buy fractional shares of a stock. Now, I'm not going to be doing this for my small account, and here's the reason why. Tesla is incredibly speculative and it may make you a lot of money, but its PE ratio is at 1,000 for a reason. It's about the future of the company. It's about Elon Musk. It's about it being a tech company and where they can go. I will say this right now. There's going to be a lot of people invest in Tesla and they could make a lot of money, more than I ever make. But Tesla's a little too speculative for the way I'm trying to invest for the long term right now. Now, if you had a portfolio and it was pretty balanced out and you had some safe picks and some picks and you had another month coming up, why not buy some Tesla? If you got to have something that's speculative. If this is your speculative stock, then this is the one, especially if you're young. Because some people have put Tesla's price target for 4 years from now at $5,000 a share. If that happens and you buy it right now and you get a 9, 10 times return on your money, that's incredible. Like that's next level. So I understand that. But when we look at Tesla, when we talk about what Tesla is, it's important to know that it's not just the stock price, it's a car company and a tech company wrapped all into one. Solar panels, solar roofs, cars, they are ahead of the game on EV. And if you believe in EV, as you know, in my portfolio, I'm into GM and Ford. And that is why I'm not doing Tesla. I'm not doing Tesla because I've got my EV plane. Now, there's other parts of the Tesla company and Elon Musk that I think aren't even accounted value wise. And one day, the growth of this company could really pan out. And the whole story of Elon Musk and Tesla, how close they were to going bankrupt, and now they're one of the biggest companies in the world, like they're in the top seven, I think now, in terms of market cap at like 70 billion or something crazy. I don't know, but if you're interested in Tesla and their push for the future and technology, and now you can use Bitcoin to buy cars, I think buy it, but don't buy this unless only buy Tesla if you know it's speculative. It is not a guarantee. It's not a safe, proven play over 20 years, but it could be the biggest stock over the next 5 years. You could make more money than anyone else. So it is definitely speculative. Take a chance on it if you need something speculative, but make sure you understand what you're getting into with the stock. Anyway, I'm BK. This is BK. This is Stocks with BK. Hit the like button, subscribe. I'm glad you're here. What stocks are you buying? How many shares? Let me know what's going on. What other stock channels are you watching? Is there any that are doing things a little better? Is there something I should change? Give me your comments, your advice, and I'll see you next time.